As we have already learned from other videos how to export from a single artboard by selecting that particular artboard and then clicking on export PNG or JPEG by clicking on this button. In this video, we'll look into how to export from multiple artboards at the same time. And exporting from multiple artboards at the same time is a bit different in Affinity. So first of all, let's select all the artboards. And after selecting all the artboards, let's go to Affinity and navigate to Studios and then click on Slice to access the Slice Studio. As you can see now that the interface has changed to Slice Studio. And at the right, you can see there are a lot of export options here. In the export options, we can select file format. I'll select JPEG for this artwork in all artboards. And then we can also select preset by clicking on preset and select JPEG quality from right here. I'll select onto JPEG high quality. On the below, we can also select ICC profile, which is the color profile. By clicking on the ICC profile drop-down menu and navigating to the color profile that we prefer. Mostly we use sRGB, so I'll click on sRGB. And by scrolling below, you can see there are other settings that you can adjust as per your preference. Below, we can see that there are two layers. Instead of going to export layers, which would be the layer that will be selected by default, select on slices layer, and then on the batch builder, select the one that you require. However, I'll select it as none. And below this, we can also see there's an export preset. In the export preset, I'll select single JPEG high quality. And now you can see here that all the artboards are already pre-selected and ready to be exported. So to export all the artboards at once, click on Export Slices. Now it will open this box and asks on which directory or folder that we want to export these pictures in the artboard. Now click on Export. And now all of these images in different artboards or multiple artboards are exported to the desktop. So this is how you can export multiple images to your desired location in your computer through Affinity. So if you go to desktop now, you can see that there are multiple images that were present in multiple artboards in Affinity. So this is how you can export multiple images to your preferred location using Affinity, although the process is a bit different compared to other apps. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button. And to know more about Affinity in the future, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon to get notified. Thank you for watching the video and see you on the next video.